In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Shopify subscription. So let's get started. First, go to the bottom left of your Shopify admin and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, select Plan. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the option Deactivate Store. Click on it. Now you'll be shown a few options, but to fully close your store, you need to choose the bottom option, Deactivate Store. Shopify will then ask for a reason. For example, I'll select I'm finding Shopify too expensive and then press Continue. You can decide whether or not to store your payment details. I'm going to skip that part. Finally, enter your password, click Deactivate Store, and your Shopify store will be closed. That's it. You've successfully cancelled your Shopify subscription. Also, check the links in the description below to register on Shopify and get Shopify for just $1 for 3 months.